Okay, so we are now on the definition of the limit of a sequence. So for in sequences, there are also limits. So we have here the epsilon n definition. So a sequence, so kanang naay na ni nga form that is a sequence. So inani gani ang forma, it could be di ba f of n man to. But pwede po na sa inana kanang gi-bracket nga an. So that this signifies, or this is denoting an. So a sequence an has the limit L and is written as limit of an as n approaches to positive infinity is equal to L. So L is the limit. Then an is the sequence. So the limit of the sequence is equal to L. Or an approaches to L. So L can be any number as n approaches to positive infinity if for every epsilon greater than 0, there exists an integer n such that if small n is greater than big N, then the absolute value of an minus its limit must be less than the epsilon. So very tricky definition. But this is very useful in proving or illustrating ng mga limits of sequences. So example we have here. Let the sequence an be defined by an is equal to 1 over n, where n is an element of 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So we are using our previous lesson. So suppose we determine the elements of the sequence where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. We have, so if we're going to find an, so we have here a sub 1 is equal to, so our an is 1 over n, so we have 1 over 1 or 1. Then a sub 2 is 1 over 2. Then a sub 3 is 1 over 3. Then a sub 4, a sub 4 is 1/4, and so on. So the sequence, and so on. So thus the sequence is, so we have here 1, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, up to 1 over n. Now what did you notice? What did you observe? What did you observe from the sequence? Decreasing? Decreasing up to asaman? Decreasing? Decreasing makaha. So asa mo ni approach? What number does the sequence approaches? Approaches to 0. So we observe that as n becomes larger, the elements of the sequence becomes closer to 0. So approaches, diba? Approaches to 0. So meaning padung siya sa 0. So what does this implies in your previous calculus classes? Kung ang something mo approach na siya sa certain nga number, o sa may pasabot niya. Hence we expect Unsa man? So medyo i-expect ana. We expect that the limit of an as n approaches to infinity is equal to 0. Because of this, kaya nga mas becomes closer to 0 man. So the more mo closer to 0, di ba kumita na something nga mo approach, di ba mo na itong basihan kung mo na ijang limit, di ba? Kanang dili ta mag-solve ba kanang analytically, mo ba na itong buhaton, magsige tawag input ja kung makita na to kung sa ijang trend asa sa padong, mo na ijang limit. So mo na nga we expect that the limit of an as n approaches to infinity is equal to 0. Now, we have here, di ba kinahanglan man ta nga makapakita no nga e must be greater than 0 and that small n must be greater than the big N. So we have here to illustrate of limit. So suppose we choose epsilon is equal to 0.1. So, pwede tayo magpili bisag unsa nga number, but nganong why did I choose 0.1? Because 0.1 is closer to 0. Oh, so pwede kag 0.01, 0.01, 0.001, pero para na mas dali i-illustrate ang 1 decimal place. Kaya dali ra siya i-manipulate. Then, what do we want? We want, kung saan ito ipakita?
Epsilon is greater than 2a.
Oh, so mapakita na epsilon is greater than 0 and then small n must be greater than big N. So we want the elements of the sequences to be within 0.1 of limit is equal to, diba itong limit kay 0 man? So, within 0.1, so babaw ni 0, 0.1, o ubos po di 0, 0.1. So, if this is our limit na is equal to 0, so dapat ang kani siya, that is 0.1, kani po 0.1 away. 0.1 away, 0.1 away, di ba? Now, mo na siya atong dapat diha atong mga sequence. Thus, we require an minus L is less than epsilon. So, dapat mapakita ni nato siya. Kani an minus L, the absolute value of an minus L less than epsilon. So, substituting, saan man ito yung butang? Substituting an equals 1 over n. Our limit is equal to 0, and our epsilon is 0.1. We have, so sa itong naa na to, so kung ato ni dyan i-substitute, we have 1 over n minus 0 less than epsilon. 0.1. Sorry. Okay, what will happen? Diba this is 1 over n minus 0, so this is 1 over n less than 0.1. So what will happen? What will happen after that one?
We got the value in less than 0.1.
Ha?
We got the value in
Oh, sa may value ni n?
0.2. 0.10? 10. 10.
N is 10. N must be greater than 10. Anong mabali man siya?
Multiply the booster.
Ha? Na ha? Masa to na siya? 1 over N equals 0.1. Unja sunod?
Cross multiply mo ba, sir?
So kung mag-cross multiply, so we have 1 is less than 0.1 N. Unja, divide both sides by 0.1. So mo lang N must be greater than 10. So mo lang N is greater than 10. Kasi mo ingon mo nga tungod kinag-multiply dire. Tungod na sa manipulation. So we have N must be greater than 10. So natong kani siya is 10. Sunod, hence, whenever N is greater than N is equal to 10, AN minus 0 is lesser than 0.1. Ang atong N is equal to 10. Yanong 10 man ang big N, sir. Now, N is equal to 10 kaya dapat man siya ang small n is, di ba, small n must be greater than 10. So, unsa may greater than 10, di ba? 11 and so on. So, 10 ang ato ibutang sa big N. So, n is dako pa sa small n is dako pa sa big N. Then, the absolute value of AN minus 0 is lesser than 0.1. So, kung ato na dyan kung anon, so what is 1 over 11? Pila na siya? I-calculate daw, pila? 0.091. 1 over 12. 0.83. 1 over 13.
0.077.
0.07. O sa inyo nabanta dyan sa mga value? Aside sa ning gamay. Ha? Approaches to 0, madulas siya. Pero o sa inyo nabanta dyan? What did you observe? Less than? Okay, less than siya sa epsilon. So kung ang atong mga value nga ang atong mga gustong ipakita nga kung naatay small n nga dako pa sa n, dapat ang mga value niya less than the epsilon. So kung ni-exist na siya, then the limit of an is equal to 0. So mo na siya nga kani siya illustration ra man ni siya. So dapat epsilon is greater than 0. So mo na 0.1. So mo ni siya atong nakita nga mo satisfy man siya. So we have this illustrates, di rin naman isumpay ha. This illustrates that for every epsilon greater than 0, there exists an integer n such that so there exists an integer. So ang integer na to ang exists is 10. 10 atong ubos man siya sa n small n. Such that whenever n is greater small n greater than big N, an minus L must be less than the epsilon. So this definition is very important in proving. So next we have this called Hitch theorem. So Hitch theorem is for sequences. So what is the purpose of Hitch theorem? So we have here, if limit of f of x, so f of x meaning this is the limit sa atong continuous function sa calculus 1 or calculus 2. Diba? Limit of f of x as x approaches to infinity, positive na lang ito. Positive lagi. Positive infinity, infinity raman na, pero positive ato i-restrict dire, is equal to the limit. And f is defined for every positive integer. So meaning, if f of x as x approaches to infinity is equal to L, the limit also of the sequence as n approaches to infinity, positive din. Positive infinity is equal to L when n is restricted to positive integers. So meaning, we cannot find the limit of sequences. Watay kuan ba maglisod tag pangita kung directly nato sa ipangita on using sequences. So this is sequence f of n is sequence. Now, gitawag sa hitch, meaning ba mura jag musakay because kay musakay siya nga continuous function. So kung mangita tag kung naatay anang f of n nga is equal to 1 over x, nigpangita nato ana sa limit dito 1 over n 1 over n. What dito makakita og limit ana. But we can find the limit of this one kung ato siya i-convert into f of x is equal to 1 over x. So meaning, atong gamiton ang limit sa continuous function para makaibaw ta kung unsay limit ni mao po'y limit ni f of n. Why direct nga limit ni sequences? Mo base siya sa limit sa continuous function. So manang gitawag sa hitch kay nakisabay rata sa limit sa continuous functions. So we have here, suppose limit of f of x as x approaches to positive infinity is equal to L. Show that limit of f of n as n approaches to positive infinity is also equal to L, where n is restricted to positive integers. So that is our first statement. Suppose f of x is equal to L as x approaches to positive infinity. Then we have to show that show also that the limit of f of n is as n approaches to positive infinity is equal to L, restricted to positive integers. So what will happen? So by definition, di ba ang definition na to dapat atong epsilon is ang sama to tong epsilon? Okay, let epsilon greater than 0. So mao na nga we have to be very kanang knowledgeable sa mga definition. Then since limit of f of x is equal to L as x approaches to positive infinity, by definition of the limit of a function at positive infinity, there exists a real number m greater than 0 such that x is greater than m implies f of x minus L is lesser than epsilon. So, di ba this is familiar? This is in calculus 1. Di ba? For continuous function. Nga kung naka f of x is equal to L, then by definition, the limit of function at positive infinity, there exists a real number m. So, na real number m. So, any number nga ma-approach niya such that x must be greater than m implies f of x minus L. The absolute value of f of x minus L is lesser than epsilon. That is definition ra sa limits sa function. Sa calculus 1 man na. So, based from this, now, choose a positive integer n such that n must be greater than m. So, if m nag-represent man is just sa mga f of x, di ba? Now, mag-choose ta og positive kay di ba restricted to positive integers ang sequences. So, we have to choose a positive integer n para mo represent na ni sa sequences such that ang n nato must be greater than m. So, if n is greater than, if small n must be greater than n, then small n must be greater than big N, and also greater than big M. Therefore, n must be greater than m. So, dako man si n kasi ni m, unya kay si small n kay dako pa man ni n. So, therefore, si n must be dako pa ni m. So, mo na siyang therefore. So now, since n is a positive integer and f is defined for every positive, kaya ba restricted man sa dyan, no? So, every positive for every positive integer, substitute x is equal to n into the inequality. So, ang n is a positive integer, unja ato na dyan i-substitute sa ang x atong himuong n. So tanan nga mga x dinhi atong himuong n. So we have then the inequality becomes, so this inequality becomes f of n minus L less than epsilon. So, muna siya ang inequality. So, for every epsilon greater than 0, there exists an integer n such that small n must be greater than big N implies f of n minus L less than, the absolute value of f of n minus L must be less than the epsilon. So, again, di ba, n must be greater than m. So, ni-exist mo sila. So, since x is a positive integer and small n, and f is defined for every positive integer. So, para sila positive. Substitute x equal to n into the inequality. So, pwede tayo maka-substitute. Mo na nga, f of n minus, substitute value of f of n minus L must be less than epsilon. Then, for every epsilon greater than 0, ka nag-let man ta, there exists an integer. So, kung natay small n, naputay, mo exist nga big N. Such that n, mas dako ba sa n. So, kung dako si ja, this implies the absolute value of f of n minus L must be greater than the epsilon. Then, must be less than epsilon. Therefore, limit of f of n as n approaches to positive infinity is equal to L by definition 1.2. Nganong nakaingon man ka nga definition 1.2 man, sir? Di ba? Ato man yung napakita nga kung for every epsilon there exists an integer n such that n is greater than n. Implies f of n, absolute value of f of n minus L less than epsilon. This is definition 1.2. So by definition 1.2, ang atong limit of f of n as n approaches to positive infinity is equal to L. Okay. So based from this definition, why do you think it is important to find the limit? Why it is important to know how to find the limit of a sequence? Okay, so with that, so that we can identify if it is convergent or divergent sequence. So there are two types of sequences, convergent sequences and divergent sequences. So when we say convergent sequences, it converges to a certain number. So mo na nga, kung naa say limit, gitawag na siya og convergent. Ja, means that ang limit is 3. So the sequence converges to 3. Yan na siya. Then, if a sequence does not have a limit, it is divergent. So, kung ang limit is positive infinity, kung ang limit is infinity, does not exist, so that is divergent. Di na ma-zero, ha? Asa na dyan pa dong? What will happen? X on the 3. So 4 to x cubed to x squared. Oh. So, di ba? This approaches to 4. This is approaches to 0. 0 and 0. What about this one?
Infinity.
So, what will happen kung na-infinity sa denominator y infinity sa ubos?
Bro, positive infinity mo to.
So, infinity equal to infinity. Dito na sa equal infinity. Infinity ra, infinity. Ayun na ba tayong positive?
Naman kayo.
Wala. Kasi infinity ra. Ha? Pwede ra infinity. Pwede ra. Assume naman as nga infinity. Positive. Kaya restricted naman ta by positive infinity. Then by theorem 1.3.
Sir, X,
Ha? Infinity. Kay, makuha man na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ha? Dali. naka-restrict naman ta sa positive. So pwede ra siya nga di na ta butang positive infinity. Kay assume naman na siya nga positive infinity na sa ta.
Sir, nakalimutan ako sa dito.
Sige, sige. Then by theorem 1.3, the limit of then by theorem 1.3, the limit of divergence siya.
What yan?
Ano po yung ilang
Ano hindi pwede sa denominator ko kasi
Pero usahay mo work na siya Rino. Usahay mo work na siya. Is
it's convergent.
is infinite ano naman. The limit of the sequence is infinity. Therefore, the sequence is divergent. Imo malagi ng keyword, imo na namang keyword infinity. Pero ganahan mo masadyon na pwede ra to the limit of kuan ato bang hong gibuhat ganiha. Limit of f of n as n ang ana is equal to infinity. Divergent. Die na siya kay wa man jay limit. Okay? So by pair
Okay, guys. Jadi ako,
Ano ba sir?
Five decision.
Libre sir. Isa pa.
Imo mo lagi ng gibuwag-buwag. Di ba kung nakay duha ka, kung nakay ko, ang pwede dyan mo mata sa tagsa, limit of 5, limit of 3 over x. Ibog-buwag, pwede naman mo. Diba? Limit of 5, minus limit.
Kapatid pa na sir.
Ha?
Kung duha ka terms sa limit, pwede rin sa ito property ba siya?
Mab dyan na sa kuan, calculus 1.
Property or rule?
Rule na siya.
Rule siya.
Kaya kung may properties, kuan man na siya. Lahi man na siya nga. Sa may limit ni 3. Ha? Automatic na ba dyan na? Ang sa tayo sa may tabo, anak? Ha? 3 over 1, 3 over 2, 3 over 3. Asa na pa dong? 3 over 4, 3 over 5. Asa na pa dong? Asa pa dong? Alam Antoinette, isumbong ni Kuan, isumbong ni Mamalo. Mamalo, di kay boss si Antoinette sa limit of 3x as x approaches to mas infinite eh. Therefore, so to by limit, by theorem dahil, by theorem 1.3, limit of f of n is equal to as n approaches to kato imong ko na imong limit o limit ba dire n approaches to positive infinity n na di na x therefore it is pwede naman kami yung it is pwede naman kami the sequence therefore the sequence pero ang formal dun is therefore the sequence is pero pwede ba therefore it is convergent and the limit is 5 kaya para i-state yun na ninyo pero pwede rin actually kaya napakita naman pero mag-exam inanaan ninyo ha kay ang maanad 5 or and its limit is 5
Sir.
gamay na
Sir, ng limit sa sir is 5.
ha
Limit sa
malagi pero kuha naman na ang imo man ang conclusion di ba mo summarize na sa tanang imong gibuhat mao dyan na dapat ang sakto pero acceptable na ng kutobreda sa it is convert pero how mo gitrain kay kung mag-masters mo di na mo makurat ba so you have 2 0 0 naman 3 so that is 2/3 so therefore by theorem 1.3 Saan mo yung guided practice magkuhan pa tag usa ka buok.
sequence convergent and limit.
Sige si Kim kay wa pa ko kitang Kim ning answer nahilom-hilom. Manimaos po ko kay dyan ko gibutangan dito og kanang will not sa kuan return copier sa on time. Bawas naman di ay. Ay, dyan ko na picturean sige nyo na. And the limit is limit is total.
X squared minus 1 minus 1 dapat x sa let f of x let f of x let f of x
Minus x na. So kung minus x na siya, x na siya.
Basta kayo sino gyapon.
So x minus x over x that is 1 over x.
Sakto gyapon lagi ko ba?
Dili x squared. X pa na dira. X pa na diha. Diha x squared ni. Okay, Risa. Iba ingon na siya, subong sa Marvin Bay. Diba na ingon na siya? Square root of x squared plus 1 minus x. Diba ato i-times siya og so ito i-times na ito ni siya? Square root of x squared plus 1
minus 1 sir
kuan ba dyan na sila duha? Then plus x.
identity pa
Square root of x squared plus 1 plus x. Okay. So, muna tayo. Yung mo naman lagi parenthesis. Parenthesis na laman. Parenthesis na laman ng x squared plus 1. Sige, pada sa nabe. Parenthesis na laman ng x squared plus 1.
Raised to 1/2.
Dali. Parenthesis na laman na. Parenthesis ra. X plus 1. O sa mga, negative. Negative. Negative x. Negative x? Negative? Sige. So, kung saan may tabuan na? Kung saan may tabo? Sa denominator. So combine like terms, x squared minus x squared, 0. Diyan na may 1. Di ba kung ini number ko na 1, that is number itself. So kanina lang may bilin sa baba. Din na, kawan mo. Ha? Naka po yung limit. O pa matalag pangitag limit. Ang pag-simplify pa man na. Kaya maglisod matapangitag limits kung na yung mga radical sa ubos, di ba? So ato rin dyan i-simplify. Sige. X squared plus 1 plus x. Kasama na sa mo approach. Ha? Infinity, no? Kana na may x daan. Di ba na may x daan? Bisag pag-asa ni dapit mo approach, bisag din na to ni solbon, kay bawo na tanga, infinity na dapa do. So, infinity. Infinity. So, by theorem 1.3, maminus. Maminus man na kay kuan man na combine like terms ra man na. Di man na siya kuan. Last subong si Marvin Bay?
Hindi, naglikod-likod rin.
Is diverge. Diverges. Okay. Ako ba masigwa kasunod nga, di ba? That is kani i-multiply ani. Di ba mawa man siya, so muna siya paring di parenthesis. Unja kana that is cancel. The sunod kana mo nang na negative x squared. Ja kada negative x squared kay ma-minus mo na kay combine like terms na laman ni sila. So mo nang mahibili lang 1. Kung number, kung 1 ang ubos sa number, di ba number man eh. So same ra gapon siya sa ubo. Mo ra gapon siya. Mura na jag 5/1 so mo nang 5.